my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to prevent anyone to see your collection on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Then press on saved. Select collection which you want to prevent anyone to see. Let's try this one. After that, click on 3 dot which shown here. Then tap on privacy settings. Then press on only me. After that, click on save. You will find notification here says only you will be able to see this collection and it will be hidden for any followers. Press on change. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to prevent anyone to see your collection on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.